crash it.
You don't want to crush your old monster bus. Oh my God, look at that bus. It's not too bad.
Kinda hurts.
Yeah. When you still drive away. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh. That would not be fun. That would be deadly.
The car.
Yeah, that would hurt. Here's a couple things I got on our trip to Savers. I got these for JJ to help with his motor skills. He loves this one. He plays with this one a lot, but we haven't done this one too much. So we're going to try Latches if I can get him to participate. I know. Here, wait, don't open them yet. Let's wait a second. Let's focus on stuff. Let's pause this and then. Okay, what I want you to do is unlatch each one and open the doors.
Unlock.
Okay, unlock it. There you go. Open the doors. Tell me what's in there. What is inside? What is in there? Open the other side. What is that? Huh? What is that? What animal is that? What animal is that? Huh? What is that? What sound does it make? Oh yeah,
Cow.
Say cow. Very good. Oh yeah, here we go. Close it, lock it back up. Perfect. Okay, let's try. Oh, you get it locked? There you go. You got it, buddy. That's perfect. Okay, try another one. Okay, do that one. That one. Very good. Okay, what are those? What sound do they make? What sound? And what is that? Oh, perfect. What is it? Okay, say what animal it is. What is that?
Horse.
Horse. There you go. Close it and lock it. Close it and lock it first. Lock it, lock it. Getting it? Yeah. Okay, which one you want to try next? There you go. I think the top part opens, huh? There you go. Oh boy, that's it. Just the top part. What's in there? What is that? What's in there? What is it? What color is it? What is that? What color is it?
Yellow one.
It's yellow. I think it's supposed to be like gold. It's gold and jewels and expensive stuff. Like a treasure chest.
It's orange.
Orange, okay.
Orange.
It looks orange, doesn't it? Okay, close it and lock it. Good job. Okay, try a new one. Try another one. Let's see. What have you done? Have you tried this one yet? Try that one. Let's see what they got in there. See, they got this little thing here for your finger to go into. There you go. What's in there? What are those? What is that? What does that say right here? T-O-Y-S.
Says, wait.
What's T-O-Y-S?
Where's toes?
What is it?
Toes.
T-O-Y-S?
Toys.
Toys. There you go. You said it. Now lock it. Push it down and put it on there and then put it on. Now push it down right there. You got it on there. Okay. Here. Lock it down. Push this down right here and it's locked. Okay, push it down. Push that down. Push it all the way down, then that's locked. There you go, it's locked. Okay, you did this one. You did this one. Let's try this one right here. You didn't try that one yet. Try that one.
I like it.
Unlock it, turn it all the way. There you go. Let's see what they got inside. Yep, turn it all the way. There you go. What do you got in there? What are those? What's that right there?
Bird.
Bird. What's that? What's that right here? Flower. What is that right there?
Sunny.
Sunny, yeah. Okay, lock it. Nice job, buddy. You're doing good at this. What one have you? Okay, we haven't tried that one yet. Try that one. Okay, you gotta unlock it first so you can open it all the way. Here, you gotta unlock it. Figure out how to unlock it. Unlock it here. I think you got it. No, it's not unlocked yet. Yeah, I think you're getting there, Bubba. Okay. See, this slides into the end. There you go. It's unlocked. Now open it. Let's see what we got inside. What do you got in there? Oh, what is that? What's that?
No.
What is that?
Okay.
Cat. Very nice. Oh, what's that right there? Bird. Okay. Okay, close it and lock it. Nice job, buddy. I think you got them all, right? You did them all. Yep. Hey, give me 5. You did good. Okay. Fantastic. You like that one? You want to do a little bit more? Oh, they lock, huh? These are, you know what these are called? Latches. Different kinds of latches. Yeah, you got all kinds of different latches, huh? This latch, let's see which latch. This latch right here we got outside on a gate. This one's like the one at our gate. Fun? Okay, you did good, buddy. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Okay, you got it. Go ahead and watch your cars.
Monster bus.
Monster bus, yeah.
Monster truck.
Love monster trucks. You want to find monster trucks?
Yes.
Okay.
School.
There it is, right there.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Wrong.
Rum. Okay. Thank you for watching JJ's Autistic Journey.